Good day, sir. My name is Iben. I'm from G2, and this is my book management system project for OP2. And this system is a full-blown system with user authentication, CRUD operations, and beautiful user interface. So as we can see here, we are now in the sign-in page where you will sign in. But first, let's register. So let's create a new account. So let's just say here, username, password, username, username. Boom, account created successfully. You may now sign in. So we have now created a new account. Let's now sign in. Username, username. As you can see here, authentication successful. It means that we will now be redirected to the main page. So as we can see here, this is now the book catalog. We have the book registration form, and we have here the books that are stored in the table or in our database. So let's try one by one the CRUD operations. It works perfectly. So let's add a new book. So let's say DSA 123, author name Anoos Iben. You see here horror. Just stay available. Let's click add new. Now, as you can see here, it says book successfully added to catalog. So as you can see here, the DSA book is now here. So maybe you will wonder, sir, if why is the ID like this? It doesn't start with number one, but it's auto increment, sir, and I already deleted some books a while ago when I was recording, and yeah, for testing also. So now let's go back. Now let's try the update functionality. Let's put here, let's choose Java 123. So let's say the author name is Sir Kai. In order to update the book, you click Save Changes. So it says here, book information successfully updated. So as we can see here, the author name now here is Sir Kai. Now let's try the remove operation. So the same with update, you will just click a row or a book, and it will now be deleted. So let's try ABCD book. Let's try to delete it. Boom. It has now been deleted. You can see here, there's no ID number 9 anymore, and there's no ABC book. Now, let's try the clear operation. You can see here, we can, So now, as you can see here, you can just test it here. You click a book, you press clear, done. Or you just, try here, done. All texts are now empty. Now, for the most exciting part, let's try the dynamic search functionality or feature. So in order to really display that this feature will work, let's add a new book. Yeah, let's add a new book. Let's just say Valorant book, author name, page, horror, borrowed. Let's add a new book. Boom, it is now successful. So as we can see here, we can now search by title. So now, let's try the dynamic searching functionality. Let's say V. Both Java and Valorant has letter V, so it will appear. Both has also. And now, you can see here, the Valorant is now, it displayed, yeah, as you can see here, So now, we have now successfully implemented or displayed the search functionality. Let's try the refresh. The refresh button serves as the it refreshes the page and it removes or cleared the searching function or searching operation. So now that is all for the system. Now let's look at the code. So first, let's look at the book registration form code. As you can see here, This is our class, book registration class. It extends JFrame and implements bookcrud. So bookcrud is our interface class, our interface file. Yeah, rather. So now, as you can see here, there's just plainly GUI with the modern style buttons. Yeah, the pane and the buttons. Now let's look at the most important methods. Some important methods, which is the field table, load books, and load books, add book. Yeah, add book. So in here, we can see here the queries. Yeah, insert into TBL book. So this is the table name. And yeah, so basically we just concatenate or just add the values into this. Yeah, just like that. Now, the same with update book. The difference is just the query. Yeah, all of them are basically the same. And then delete, also like the same, maybe the same. But now here's the clear field. So we can see here it's a text to empty strings. So now let's look at the interface file. So as we can see here, we have add book, update book, delete book, clear fields, and load book. So these are the methods that we implemented earlier in the book registration class. Book registration class is also the subclass of bookcrud. So yes, basically, so you can see here in the library book, it extends book. So book is our main book. It has these things. It has encapsulation, and the library book is just the subclass of the book. So basically, book is just the overall class. So library book is just a subclass of it. So you can see here we have these things. And now the login form, yeah, mainly just GUI and register form. So that is all. Thank you and have a wonderful day, sir.